Hello and welcome to this short video about using remote jobs in your CNC control software. If you haven't seen our video about creating remote jobs queues in Scout, the link is provided in the description. I am assuming that you've already created some remote jobs queues in Scout. When the queue is in ready to transfer mode, then after a minute or two, it should be downloaded by your CNC machine control software. When the queue is downloaded, its name is displayed on the top in the info center. Click it to open info center and display the list of available queues. There are some information here about the queue itself and each file. There is a queue name, its priority, and the description that contains some additional information for the CNC machine operator. Below, there is a list of files in the queue, and each file also contains some information like file description, download status, and probably the most important thing, processed count and repeat count. Those values can be set in Scout prior to sending the queue to the machine, as I've shown you in a previous video. To load a specific file, just click its name and the file will be loaded. Now you can just start your job as normal. After the file has been processed, you can see that its processing count has increased. And when the processing count reaches the repeat count, you will see the green check marks, which means that this file was processed a required number of times. You can also see this information in Scout. You can also very easily process the whole queue automatically. So after you start the job for the first file, all the other jobs in the queue will be processed automatically, one by one, without the need to start processing them manually. It is a great way to automate your work and make it more efficient. And by the way, it's a very similar mechanism that's also in InfoCAM plugin, so I encourage you to check out InfoCAM video also. To enable automatic queues processing, just go to Settings, Macro link. Ensure that this checkbox is checked. Then, on the left side, find a macro named BE Scout Auto Queue. Select it. And on the right side, find At the end of the job. Select it also and click Add. Now, this macro is connected to this event. And you can close the window. You only need to set this once. When you now start processing any file, the next file will start processing right after this file is finished, and so on. At any moment, you can check the progress of the queues processing in Scout. Just go to the list of queues or enter the queue details. When the whole queue is finished, you can see this in Info Center and in Scout. It should have 100% of processing status. You can then delete this queue from your machine so it won't be shown in the info center anymore. Just click the Delete Queue button. Please note that deleting the queue from info center will not delete the queue from Scout. It's still there, so all the information about it and analytics is available for you. And that's it. Now you know how to handle remote jobs queues in both Scout and your CNC machine control software. I'm sure that this convenient feature will save you much time and provide great value in your day-to-day work. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve Scout, please don't hesitate to contact us at cnctailor.com or leave a comment. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel.